Hello, in this video we'll show you how to get access and how to remove and replace the serpentine belt on Mercedes Sprinter W906 316, which is a V6. The serpentine belt on this van is located on the front of the engine, but in order to get to the serpentine belt, first we need to remove the air filter box and the fan clutch. First, we'll start by removing the air filter housing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. We'll just put the filter housing to the side, and now we'll remove the engine cover. Next, we're going to be removing the clutch fan. In order to remove the clutch fan, first we need to remove the diffuser for the clutch fan, and it's held on the two sides by two clips. That's it on the other side. We're not going to remove this diffuser completely right now. We're just going to get it loose so that we can go behind it and remove the clutch fan. Now I'll show you the clutch fan from a closer view, and to see what tool we need to remove it. That's it there. We need to remove this bolt, and it's Allen key size 8. We'll put our arm in there in this hole with the ratchet and try and take out the bolt. In my case, where I'm trying to get it loose, the whole fan is moving, so I'm going to use pliers to get the fan from behind, and then I'll remove the bolt. That's how I got the fan from the back with the pliers, so that it doesn't turn when I try to remove the bolt. Now that the bolt is loose, I can take out the bolt and take out the fan as well. And that's the fan clutch out. Next I need to remove the diffuser for the fan clutch, but in order to remove the diffuser I need to remove this air intake hose that goes into the turbo. It's held by one bracket that I need to remove. It's just over there. I'm not going to remove the intake hose completely, I'm just going to move it to the side again, which will give me enough space to remove the diffuser. And that's the diffuser out. And now I have access to the serpentine belt and the water pump. The water pump is right there, this big pulley, just there, yeah, where the fan clutch is being held on. That's the water pump, and that's the tensioner for the serpentine belt. Next I need to remove the serpentine belt, and that's where I need to put my ratchet so that I can loosen the tensioner to remove the belt. I'm going to use socket size 17, this type of socket. I need to turn the tensioner clockwise in order to loosen the belt. And that's the belt out. Next I'll show you an illustration of how the serpentine belt is supposed to go around the pulleys. Now I'm going to start putting the belt around the pulleys just like in the illustration. I've already put the belt around almost all the pulleys. It's not in only in one pulley, it's just not in the tensioner pulley. But in order to put it in the tensioner pulley, I need to bring the tensioner clockwise, and then it will give me space to put in the belt. And that's the belt in. Next we assemble everything else in the reverse order, and that's it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.